Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 22nd of July. A couple of service announcements before we start. Firstly, I'm writing a course on Bitcoin. I'm calling this my Bitcoin Business in a Box, and the key thing is it combines business, trading and investment to produce lion-sized profits. The design is a bit grandiose, but my graphic designer got a bit carried away. But that's how it is, and it's it's quite a pleasing design if nothing else. The deal is that you get the first 2 modules free, so the links will be in the email. If you're watching this on YouTube, then it'll be in the YouTube description beneath the video. If you like the first 2, then you may want to pay for the course. It's £97. As I said, I've turned $4,000 into $40,000. It slipped a bit in the recent decline, but it's still around 30,000 plus. So I think £97 for the course is a pretty good deal, given the potential in this system. There'll be a module on trading Bitcoin, and the exchanges, or at least the trading companies, are now offering better deals. I mean, IG's now gone down to a £2 a point minimum, which I know a lot of you are very pleased about. And I'm sure the 10-point spread will also disappear soon, and you can find a 5-point spread on FX choice. So trading is one issue. There's security, which is another issue. And there's price projections, which will also be part of the course. So it's got a lot of good stuff in it. And I say the first 2 are free and £97. That's actually a pre-launch issue. This is hardly a promo. What I tend to do is I'm very happy to let people have the course at a discounted price if they'll buy before I have to go to the trouble of writing a detailed promo. And also it's good to get a bit of feedback, which improves the course. So that's the deal. Right, second service announcement. Just so that people are aware, I normally let people have a free copy of 2 reports per month. Okay, so you don't subscribe, you have access to 2 free reports per month. Otherwise, subscribers get 3 reports a week, and they get alerts via the WhatsApp room and by SMS if requested, and various other goodies. Obviously, WhatsApp room, they can ask any question they like and get feedback. But it's quite a good package. It's only £6-7 a month with a special offer for the first month. So if you want more, if you're happy with the 2 reports per month, that's great. If you'd like more, then the subscription details are again in the email, or they're in the below on the YouTube description of the video. Right, let's get on with the report. Today we're starting with Footsie. Footsie peaked at 7599. We saw what I'm calling an A wave. You see this very choppy action we're seeing here. It's just darting around up and down, up and down. That's an ABC down, ABC up, so it counts as a 4th wave, and the C wave is now coming in. We saw this peak yesterday, it was expiry yesterday, can be pivotal. I sent out an alert around, I think, 7480, saying I've shorted Footsie with my stop above 7520, so that's nicely in profit currently. And as we saw 300 points down here, I'm expecting a 300 point decline down to around 72, although C waves can be sharper. And so we might see a bit more than that, but it should be a few hundred points down, so very tradable and hopefully very profitable. I would mention that once that C wave's over, we could see another impulsive wave up, and that should be a much easier trade. As I say, 4th waves can be rather messy, rather difficult to trade. I mean, you can see the action we've seen here, bouncing to and fro, to and fro, to and fro, especially this bit here, stopping people out all the time, this move, I'm hoping, will be more direct. It's certainly been more direct so far, but the buying opportunity that's coming up and time price analysis suggests that we should see the low in the middle of August or thereabouts. We'll be fine-tuning that as we get a bit closer. Right, getting down to the very short-term chart, this is a 3-minute chart of Footsie. I say we took the went short around the 80 level. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At that point, sent out another alert to subscribers in the WhatsApp room saying that we're seeing 5 waves down, so put an extreme stop below there. Extreme stop is a system whereby you just get in if a low is taken out, so you'd have got in here. Also, alternative wait for the ABC and sell the high, so that was the ABC, there's the high. So we're seeing waves 1, waves 2, now we've got 5-part wave 3 here. So that's 1, 2 and 3. This counts as 4. A, 3 parts B wave, C wave. I would expect the market to fall back come Monday morning. or if we do go up, it shouldn't go up very much. And having seen a low below there, we'll have wave 5 in, so maybe a bit too action on Monday, with an initial fall to make new lows, and then an ABC rally perhaps to create wave 2 of this formation. So Monday may be a bit disappointing, but we should get another opportunity to reshort, add to positions later in the week, and obviously I'll be updating subscribers as we go. On the S&P, we could see one more rally. Basically, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be a third wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will complete this move here. So it's possible this is a 1, 2, then a 3, and a 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3. Nice patterns here, actually. So that could be a complete move, but given the size of that, this could be a fourth wave of a smaller degree. So we could see one more high on the S&P. Dow is a similar pattern, but a major peak is due. Same kind of parameters. We're looking for something into the middle of August. It could extend a bit. So once that peak is in, it's going to be pretty much one way for these moves on Footsie and the DAX I've been talking about. All right, quickly on the DAX, we've seen the peak there. A, B, C, A wave, A, B, C, B wave. Now the C wave's coming in. This took us from 12,960 down to 12,330, so 630 odd points. So moved to 12,000 on the cards. It's going quite fast, the DAX. I mean, if Footsie is going to see 300-point decline, the DAX may go a lot further than that. But currently the DAX is in harmony with Footsie, just leading the way. And S&P Dow are lagging a bit, but should join the party pretty soon. Alright, gold has got the bit between its teeth. We have clear 5-wave patterns. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4. 1, 2, 3. So I don't need a 4 and a 5 here. They'll give us some kind of peak, and a pullback would be due. And then we'll be looking for another thrust up. Again, mid-August is the time price target, so we should be above 1300 by then. It rather depends on the form the rally takes. It is possible this is a B wave. I prefer it not to be, but then the markets are not very interested in my preferences, and I'd have to trade that as we see it. If we do see signs that we're peaking mid-August, I'll be shorting, only to hedge my fairly extensive gold-based positions, ETFs, stocks, coins, etc., etc. But we'll again cross that bridge when we get. Right, finally a quick update on Bitcoin. Again, this is a fifth wave. We have a very clear trend line. We had a very clear trend line there. The wave count is A, triangular B, pretty clear, and then the C wave down to there. This I think is a low. I mean, it's fairly clear it's a low. It's possible this is a B wave, but I think it's rather unlikely. I think the correction is over. So we'll go down a leg here. It is amazing what Bitcoin do in a week. This is just pretty much a week's chart. So low at 1800, which is what I was projecting in fact. We've got 5 waves up to there. Wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This ABC could be complete, so this might be the 5th wave coming in here. I mean, it could become a bigger ABC, but it fits the form quite well to have a 5th wave rally. Having seen 5 waves up, we're going to liable to see another setback, but Bitcoin always seems to surprise the upside. I think the key point is that we're back on the road up. It's already seen quite a massive rally, and we're going to see new highs, and I think we're going to see 5,000 the way it's behaving. I mean, it's possible it just pokes it above 3,000 and might start falling again. That's also one possibility. One issue here is that this wave, although it was certainly the fastest, is not as big as this wave here. Well, that's very close actually. Okay, let me just recap. This is actually plus 600. This is plus 700. But it is possible that we could just see I mean, the third wave may not be over yet. So this could be 1 of 3. This could be 2 of 3. And this could be a third of a third. There are various possibilities right now, but I think although a possible, I say the C wave decline is possible, I would expect us to go up rather than do that. But there is this. I mean, the 1st of August, this hard soft fork issue has seemed to be resolved. and everybody seems to be happy about it. There are a few, I think, Coinbase is dissenting in some way or other. So there could be it's possible we might see some kind of shock before the 1st of August to give us better prices to buy in, but looks pretty positive to me. Right, that's enough for today, I think. I hope you found that interesting and useful. I'll be back with a report on Tuesday morning for subscribers, and also be monitoring the Footsie trade in the WhatsApp room. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.